Here comes the babysitter. Geweldig. Yes, zo lekker.
I'm so brave.
He's just making sure his babysitter is still there.